everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Another video about a different car that I wanna know what you think about it. Let's talk about the Jaguar I-Pace. Luxury car, bit more expensive, bigger battery, a lot of power. What do you think about it? I mean, I've seen a few videos from Björn Nieland and other people, and of course Jaguar made a few videos beating the Model X. I think it was the 75D, beating it from 0 to 60, stuff like this. So what do you think about it? I think it's an 80 or 90 kilowatt hour battery. I think 80. It has a lot of torque, a lot of power. The car is smaller than a Model X, but bigger than a Model S. And I'm just talking about Tesla because Jaguar came out with that this will be a car like Tesla car with everything that it can do. And I've seen the videos, and what my problem with the car is that it can charge, I think, with 100 kilowatt. That's okay, only of course on CCS2. I only do charges with the cool cables when you have more than 200 amps, like the Hyundai Kona, and that's okay for me. Battery size with 80 kilowatt hours, bit disappointing. Maybe there will be more options. And the biggest problem with this battery is the efficiency of the car. They're working right now on an update so that the motors will to increase the efficiency and everything. But we've seen a few videos, and it looks like the car has not a lot of range because it's not really efficient. And the biggest problem, of course, is the form of the car. They were scared to build a car that looks like an electric car. That's why they have this big grille in front. And this is of course bad for drag. And again, because of that, the car doesn't excite me. When I get a car for 80, 90, 100,000 euros, I want something special. I want a lot of range, a lot of power, and a good charging speed. The charging speed is okay, power is there, but the range isn't there. So I think that the car is already wrong from the start because of its form. They didn't want to scare away the normal Jaguar buyer customer, and I think that's just wrong. And a lot of people are ordering it, and I think the main reason for it is because there's no alternative. You get a Tesla Model X, Model S, or this. Right now there's nothing else on the market. High price, luxury, I wouldn't call it SUV. There's just nothing there. When the e-tron, Porsche Taycan, Mercedes ECQ, I think is the name, comes out, then it's all a bit different. But right now there's nothing else there. So, like I said, for me, not very interesting. I would want to drive in it, but I'm not as excited as I would be with driving a Tesla. And feature-wise and everything, nothing special. It's good, hello, of course, but for me it's too pricey for what it does. So let me know what you think. I want to know what other people think about the car. Are you excited about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.